Hello everyone, this is Amir Salim from Alpha SEO Tools, and today I will show you about a new tool which is the bulk URL opener from my website Alpha SEO Tools. So let's go to the bulk URL opener. Here is the tool. It's very smart and very simple, very easy to use. You just need to let me paste the list of URLs you want. Let me show you, and I will copy them, and then I'll go back and just paste here. After pasting, you can paste unlimited number of URLs, but each URL should be on a separate line. Okay, and the URL should be in proper format, of course, like HTTPS protocol should be used before the URL. And I will click open all, so you can see that only one link opened. Let me go back. You have to do this for the one time only. This means that pop-ups are blocked here. Check it out on the right screen. I clicked and allow pop-ups and done. Now you can open again and these will be open all. As you can see, all the links have been opened in new tab, and this is our complete use of the tool. So you can also check the screenshot I have uh, mentioned here, so that you can check whatever the options are here. You can always allow the pop-ups and the tool will work just fine. Okay, this is the a brief theory about the tool. You can read it if you want. So that's it about the tool. Bulk URL opener. It's very useful when you are guest posting and you need to check a lot of links, and if their links the working are fine, their opening are fine. So that's how you can use it. So if you like the video, do share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.